Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
There are 50 stickers to collect in a typical level or map. Begin by opening the map and scanning for high-density areas where stickers cluster. Use your in-game compass and tools to narrow searches into smaller zones within a 3-5-inch radius on screen. Divide the map into 4 quadrants and clear one quadrant before moving on. This strategy prevents mislocations and reduces backtracking during your run. Keep an eye on moving objects that may reveal hidden sticker positions later. Divide the map into quadrants and clear each quadrant completely before advancing. Walk a sweeping grid pattern across each quadrant with steps of about 2 to 3 meters for consistent coverage. Inspect interactive objects, drawers, and movable crates because stickers often hide behind or inside them. Use elevated vantage points when available to spot distant sticker glints or colors. Note down cleared coordinates on a quick checklist to avoid repeating areas. Return to marked spots if you still need a few stickers at the end. Use a checklist or map markers to track collected stickers and remaining targets. Update the list after each cluster to keep progress visible and avoid duplication. Make a manual save when you have 45 or more stickers collected to protect progress against glitches. If stuck, reset the area or reload the save to respawn missed stickers. Expect a full collection to take about 2 hours for new players and roughly 30 minutes for experienced runners. Finally, claim any completion rewards and enjoy the visual.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.